Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn the difference between quiet or quiet. What's the difference? The word quiet is used to refer the adjective. It means silent or very little noise. And the word quiet is used to refer the adverb. It means really, totally, positively. It also used with a very little. My sister is blank tall. She bent down whenever she enters in the room. It shows she is really tall. So here it comes quiet. He was a reserved person. Someone who is reserved may be described as calm. So here it comes quiet. He is blank good at trying. It means we take it positively. And with positive sense, we use the word quiet. So here it comes the word quiet. He is quite good at drawing. The exam is blank changing. It means there is a little change in the exam. So with a little, we are also use the word quite. The exam is quite changing. My cat is very blank. Here we are going to use to describe the quality of cat. And with adjective words, we are going to use the word quiet. So here it comes quiet. My cat is very quiet. Hope you get it, guys. Thank you so much.